Everyone these days is talking about AI tools like Lovable that can build apps using AI prompts, and that's amazing. But here is something that most people don't realize. Most companies don't actually need to build a customer app. What they really need are things like client portals, internal dashboards, company tools, admin systems, and building those usually require developers. But what if AI could build those tools for you? So in this video, I'm going to show you SOFTR, which is a platform that lets you generate full business applications using AI. Businesses already store most of their data somewhere. For example, Google Sheets, Airtable, Notion, SQL databases, but that data is usually not turned into an actual product. For example, you might want to build a client portal, a dashboard for your team, or maybe an internal management tool. But building those usually require developers and backend infrastructure, and that's exactly what SOFTR simplifies. SOFTR is a full stack no code platform for building business web applications. You can build applications directly on top of your existing data. And recently they introduced something interesting, an AI co-builder, which means the platform can now generate the entire application structure for you using AI. So let's just quickly start using this AI app builder. So to start using it, you can just go to softr.ai, softr.ai, or just click on the link in description, and then you can just like find this option in here, which is AI app builder, or you can simply just click on this get started free. Simply just click on that and then sign up. You can sign up using your Google account. Simply just click on that, and once you're signed in, you will be redirected to this dashboard. So this is basically your AI co-builder. Instead of building apps manually, you can simply just describe what you want. For example, in this case, I want to build a client portal where users can log in and view their projects. So that is the simple application that I want. So I can simply just then click on enter, and now SOFTR is going to build this entire application for me. Now you can see it is asking us this question, which is what should clients be able to do with their projects in the portal? So view only, view plus comments slash updates, or view plus manage tasks slash milestones, or full project management. So let's just stick to view plus manage tasks slash milestones. So now you can see it is asking us another question, who will manage the projects internally? So I think just admin plus internal team members. And now it is asking us another question, which is, do you need a separate internal staff area in the same app? So I think no, client portal only. And now it is asking us for the authentication settings. So I think let's just go with the simplest authentication system, which is SSO. And then can people sign up on their own? I think no, it will be just internal tool. And also, what should be your app's main navigation layout? So I think for desktop it should be like this, for mobile it should be like this. Perfect, continue. And now it is asking us to set up the theme for your application. So I think let's just choose this one. Perfect, dark theme. Amazing, it already looks amazing, by the way. And now you can simply just click on create application. Once it has because now it has collected all of the requirements from us, and now it is basically generating this application for us based on the requirements that it has already collected just from us. So you can see it is creating different sort of tables, like user tables, like task tables, project tables. So basically it is building everything for us, and this is not something like Lovable or Bolt where you're building something from absolute scratch. This is basically very professional structure, a very professional tool to build very professional, very robust applications for internal management and internal usage. This tool is best to build enterprise level applications, by the way, because it comes with built-in high-end security. It's not something like childish or something random. You can see the quality of the application that it is creating is already looking just amazing, and especially the design and layout and the overall navigation experience, everything is looking like proper, well developed, well built by a professional development team rather than just like some random AI slop. And you can see I'm already logged in, and this is our dashboard for project. There is option for ask AI as well, and I can ask any question about my projects, and you can see it is already integrated. I did not have to provide any third party like API keys to integrate AI. Everything is fully integrated already. I can in fact just ask directly this question, which is something like which projects are currently in progress. You can also preview all of your projects in here, and also you can preview all of your tasks in here. So you can see the overall layout and everything is really professional, designed by like a proper design team. So AI has basically developed the entire application. This is not just the front end only, it has developed the entire structure, including pages, layouts, login system, dashboard. Everything is fully functional and fully working already, and just this alone saves a huge amount of time. Now you just built the complete structure of your application, which already looks finished and already looks really professional. Now the next step is connecting your data. We can connect our app to a data source now. The AI co-builder generates the app and the data source for you in SOFTR. SOFTR has a native database called SOFTR databases. The AI co-builder generates a dummy data for you and also relations in database. Once that is done, you can connect to any of your integrations, for example, Airtable, GS, and Notion, etc., and remap them in each block. Once your data source is connected, you can just move to this data tab in here, and then you can just like click on this plus button to add data source. And here you can see there are plenty of different options to connect your data source, including something like monday.com, Supabase, BigQuery, HubSpot, ClickUp, Coda, and even with RESTful APIs as well. Once your data source is connected, now SOFTR automatically maps your data into your application. And also you can see all of the data related to projects and all of the data related to tasks in here. So now your app becomes a real working system, not just a design. Now the next step is editing your application. So AI has basically created the base application, but you can customize everything visually, just like any other visual editor. So for example, you can edit the page layouts, dashboards, forms, user profiles. You can simply just maybe ask your AI agent to customize this particular section, or you can easily just like change anything related to this section. You can add components, something like tables, lists, charts, file uploads, all of these components, basically something like vibe coding block and maybe something like payments block. So all of this basically you can do without writing a single line of code. You can just click on any of these pre-built components and then you can just add them inside your application without writing any extra code and without the chances. So basically this avoids having bugs in your application. And by the way, all of these components are fully editable. Let's suppose I just added this checkout section in here, and here you can just like customize this text, change it to anything else, or you can just like customize this, or you can just add your own logo to make it more customized. You can add any stock images as well, or you can just upload your own assets as well. Now the next step is adding user access. One of the most important feature is the user permissions. For example, your clients should only see their own data. So to do that, SOFTR basically allows you different sort of user groups. You can create a visitor user or maybe a logged in user. You can create an admin user or team member user or something like client user. And then you can basically control what sort of access they will have. You can see there are these data restrictions. So certain sort of data will be accessible to employee, certain sort of data will be accessible to clients, and then certain sort of data will be accessible to the admin. So by doing this, whenever user log in, they only see the information relevant to them. Now let's talk about the comparison with the tool, something like Lovable. Lovable basically focuses heavily on building full applications using AI prompts, which is by the way great for creating consumer applications. But SOFTR focuses more on creating business applications. For example, client portals, internal tools, operational dashboards. These are the tools that companies use daily to run their operations. Some real things that companies can build using SOFTR include something like customer portals, CRM dashboards, membership platforms, internal admin tools, or maybe something like company knowledge bases. Instead of building these tools from scratch, you can generate them using AI and customize them visually. What I like about this approach is that it removes the friction for non-technical teams. So instead of waiting for developers, teams can build their own tools. And with the AI co-builder, the setup process becomes even faster. If you want to try SOFTR yourself, you can just check the link in description, or you can experiment with the AI co-builder and see how quickly you can generate a working business application. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.